روشنه.
And then you turn it and then you do it on this side. Then you clean. About 45 degrees. And then you cut this part. And then you snap the head.
I want to see what's in the stomach later. There you go.
Okay. And then you cut right along this side. This is the first 1 inch is no good.
Oh, the stomach?
No, this is the bottom. That's the. See that scar that was.
You want to sharpen it again? Here's the stone right there.
This way.
Wow, bravo. Wow, I'm learning.
This is one side.
Okay.
And then this is the fat side, bigger. All the way to the tail part, and then you take the middle bone out. Oh, this is
Wow.
where fish is stuck. And here you got 2 nice fillets.
Wow. I wish all the fish swam that way. That way I didn't have to do all that work.
And then just take it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Bravo.
حالا این میتونه مثلا یه استافش کنه beautiful, huh?
Okay.
وقت
We got vegetable. You want to stuff? You want to make a stuffing?
نه دیگه بذار اسکنش هم بکنم دیگه.
Okay. I have special pliers. Give him that pliers that we.
من کلیپی شده.
Wow. Show him the skin, the empty skin.
This is, you don't have to clean it like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then you do this one on this side, actually in polish with it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That Flounder خوبی هم بوده.
That was a nice size flounder. Made a big wake before it hit the bait. I saw the wake.
Yeah, that's a nice catch of fish. Now go find this food.
Yeah.
There. 他去restaurant上要吃就